Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make 3D object in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show make 3D object. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for shape. Now choose from a shape, any shape. Now select from shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Now choose color. Then click for shape effect option. Now click for a bevel option. Now select from any bevel style. Then again select from shape effect option. Now click for 3D resolution. 3D rotation option. Now select from any part area. That it. Now you can see make 3D object in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.